What's up, fragrance community? My name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another fragrance review. If you're new to the channel for the first time, thanks for clicking on my video. I know you clicked on my video because you like fragrance reviews, unboxing, free giveaways. So all you have to do now is click the subscribe button now or at the end of the video if you like this type of content. That's all I ask for. And thank you for watching this video. My #1 favorite winter fragrance. This is the box. If you know what it is, you probably already know, but you will find out soon. So please stay tuned. I know you enjoy it. #1 top winter / fall fragrance for me. I have a lot of fragrances in my collection, some for winter, fall, spring, list goes on and on. This fragrance, I enjoy it. First time I sprayed this fragrance, and I'm gonna give you a hint, I picked it up at Nordstrom a couple years ago. I have a little video when I first started out doing it. It was kind of weird, but hey, it works. This fragrance has iris, tonka bean, and leather. If you don't know it by now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you the box, and then we'll go over it. Valentino Uomo Intense. Oh man, I have to say, it was at first sniff, I really was like, wow, this is great. But then I do get the comparison with the other fragrance people talk about a lot. They got the Prada L'Homme, and then they have Dior Homme, EAU for men. I know they all have the iris base in it, but man, this fragrance is just amazing, gorgeous. I'll show you the bottle. This is the bottle presentation. Valentino, just beautiful, intense. There's a bottom. I'm trying to get the batch code for you guys, but it's hard. I apologize. Just amazing. The number is 60891. The batch code. I'll leave it in the corner here or here. Just amazing. I like the presentation. The bottle's amazing. Distribution on here. Look at this. Wow. Just beautiful opening up iris. I enjoy this fragrance a lot. You know, I really can't wear it in the summertime because it's really hot. And I really feel it's like it's too much for people to deal with. But in the winter, when it's getting colder, when it's real cold outside, this fragrance is amazing. I love the smell of it. Man, I just head over heels over this fragrance. And at the time, I should have bought the bigger bottle, but I feel like this is good enough for me. The bigger bottle was like $104. This was about $80 something. Right now, I looked on the website. They don't have this size anymore. They only have a 3.4 ounce only available, and it was like $104. So maybe they got rid of the smaller bottle. But man, if you want a nice iris-based fragrance, it just smells gorgeous. Just amazing. You need this one. If you have Dior Homme, EU for men, keep that one. You're fine. If you have Prada L'Homme, you're good too. If you don't have any iris fragrances in your collection yet, you need one, get this one right here for the winter. It's great. Now I'm going to talk about projection wise. People want to know about what projection. Is it good? Projection is good. I get between 2-3 hours of projection. Very great. People will notice you. I will get in a comment factor in a minute, but they will notice you. Whether they say something or they don't, you will get that look like, has something different on. Longevity. Longevity wise, you're going to get 8 hours. You can get through a work day. You might get 9-10 hours. Sometimes I get 10 to 12 hours. All depends on your skin chemistry. But you should get through 8 hours of a single work day, which is great for $80 something fragrance. A lot of fragrance you can't get 4 to 5 hours. So you can go there, like Prada L'Homme. Prada L'Homme's a great fragrance. I have it in my collection. I enjoy that one a lot. But it lacks in longevity. So, and I do have Dior Homme, E for men, but that kind of lacks in longevity for me too. But let's get back to this one, Valentino Uomo Intense. I enjoy this one. The bottle presentation is awesome with the little spice kind of things around it. The distribution is just good. Man, the presentation is amazing. And they do have 2 other versions of it too, yes, that are out, yes. But I'm just going to talk about this one for right now because I don't own the other 2. I tested them out. They're great, but I like this one the most. Let's talk about compliment factor. Compliment factor is great. I've got comments saying it smells like lipstick. Okay, it's still a compliment. maybe not what I want to hear. I had people say it smells sexy. I had people say it smells sweet. Just overall, it's pleasant. I haven't had any negative compliments yet. It's pretty much, you smell great, you smell like lipstick, you smell sweet. So it's good if you look for a compliment. Something for the fall or winter. You can wear this in the office all year round. Probably if you're in a closed environment where it's, you know, not really hot out and all that. Like you have the air conditioning on in your office and stuff like that. It's great for office. Maybe 1-2 sprays. That's it. You don't need to go trigger happy. But just a great fragrance. If you're looking for a nice iris fragrance for the wintertime, you should check out Valentino Uomo Intense. Or you can check out Prada L'Homme or Dior Homme EAU for Men. They're all great fragrances for irises. But if I can only choose one, this is a great one for the office kind of environment. Or if you're outside in the cold winter, it's a great fragrance for that too. If you guys want anything more about Valentino Uomo Intense, please leave a comment below letting me know. If you have a great favorite winter fragrance, please leave a comment below, let me know what you use if you don't use this. If you like this fragrance, please leave a comment below, let me know you like this fragrance. If you like these type of fragrance reviews, unboxings, free giveaways, hey, just click the subscribe button. So leave your information below so I can enter you the next free contest that I will announce on September 30th for Versace Dylan Blue. Thanks for watching my video. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, goodbye.